At the University of Arkansas, big innovations are happening at nanoscopic proportions. ARA Fellow Dr. Zou and her team have nano-engineered surfaces like artificial joints that have significantly longer lifespans. Dr. Zou has gone far beyond scratching the surface of what nanoengineering can do. With sophisticated 3D printing tools, she can alter and edit physical reality at the molecular level.
Our goal is to take any surface, we can image it, we can duplicate it, not only duplicate it, but also we can modify it so that we can combine the topography of lotus leaf with snake skins and mix and match so that the surface have combined property that nature cannot achieve.
When neurons in the brain die due to injury or natural degeneration, they're not replaced. Dr. Zou hopes to promote new stem cell growth to repair brain injury and degeneration.
One of the current focus is for biomedical applications. Because we have this 3D printing surface capability, we can create artificial extracellular matrix where you can promote the cell adhesion, which is the first step for cell to differentiate and grow. And currently we are studying how neuron stem cell interact with 3D topography, and so that they can differentiate into neurons for biomedical applications.
Dr. Zou and her team are part of the Center for Advanced Surface Engineering, working with biologists from the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences and Arkansas State University to engineer artificial extracellular matrices in the brain. The research could improve the quality of life for millions of people suffering from neural injuries and disease. The Arkansas Research Alliance supports Dr. Zou's work because research matters.